Hey there, do you know that taking regular quizzes isn't just about testing what you know? It's actually one of the best ways to lock in what you've learned, right? Studies actually show that active recall, like answering quiz questions like this particular one, help move information from your short-term memory into your long-term memory, where information will stay there and you won't forget that information. Okay, plus it will always highlight exactly which topics you need to review before exams. So if you want to study smarter, retain more information, and build your confidence, the CMTEQ Quiz Portal is your go-to tools. Let me show you exactly how to access this particular quiz page. So to do that, let's go back to the main category and we're going to log out and we're going to return to site. Now we are here on the CMTEQpower.com, and what you need to do once you are here is to look at the menu. And by the way, for those of you who are doing power system studies, this course is currently on the Udemy portal, so Master Power System Simulation with Ease. So this is great for getting started to advanced level. So I really recommend getting access to this course. So if you'd like to receive free access, just reach out to me via mail or on my contact page, and I'm going to give you access to the course. And if you want to take it further and want to gain access to my membership for only $2, I currently have tutorials that are not available to the public that will really be very important, especially those who are studying power system engineering. Great stuff. Now back to the topic. So I'm going to click on the quiz menu here, and this will take you to the quiz page. And all you have to do once you are here is obviously to click on any topic that you are interested, that you want to test yourself and be curious about. So let's go ahead and click on embedded system. So you click on embedded system and the login page is going to pop up. Now if you want to track your progress, it's great that you create an account. Now I will be updating this quiz portal with user stats and things like that, so you can actually see how you're doing. But if you just want a quick login to test yourself, you can sign in as a guest. That's what I'm going to do now. CMTEQ. And for the email, I'm just going to say me@gmail.com, and I'm going to enter as guest. Now as soon as you enter, you're already on the embedded system subcategory because you clicked on it from the quiz page. Okay, so from here you can select whatever topic that you want to test yourself. But if you want to go back to the main category as well and choose a different category, that's up to you. So let's go back here and I'm going to choose sensors and ADC. There we go. So now I've got about 16 quizzes in this topic. Now there are updates coming with more quizzes where you can actually select how many quizzes you want to do, whether you want to just take 5 quizzes or whatever. That's actually available already, but I haven't opened up access to everyone yet. So now let's just go ahead and test ourselves with 1 or 2 quizzes here. So what happens to the resistance of an LDR when the intensity of a light falling on it increases? Now we know what an LDR is. It's a light dependent resistor. Okay, so that basically means the resistance will either increase or decrease depending on the amount of light falling on it. And remember to answer the question before the time runs out. So we know the answer is the resistance decreases. So when the intensity of the light falling on the LDR increases, more photons strike the semiconductor material, exciting more electrons into the conduction band. Now this results in an increase in the number of free charge carriers or electrons, which decreases the resistance of the LDR. Thus, as light intensity increases, the resistance of the LDR decreases. That is why the answer is correct. And you can go to the next question. What is a primary material property that allows an LDR to function as a light sensor? And we already seen that it's photoconductivity, right? So this is the property of certain material that changes the electrical conductivity when exposed to light. So that is it, guys, how you can actually sharpen your skills, master your skills by taking regular quizzes. You can go to the main menu and you can choose quizzes from any of these topics. Now, there is a pro version coming with more features, user stats, and things like that. So make sure you create your account and start tracking your progress. Thank you for watching, and if you like it, please give a thumbs up and share to your social media network. Until next time, cheers.